it's your girl Destiny Austin, and I am back with another episode of Destiny's Diary. Today we will be cooking in the kitchen. I'm super excited because I'm going to be making chicken and waffles. My family loves chicken and waffles, especially my kids. And today I've got to run to the store and grab some stuff, so I want you to come with me as I go do all that, and then we'll get back and then we'll get to cooking and kind of show you a dinner time with the Austins, okay? So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. It's going to be to the right of your screen, right down there. And also, don't forget to hit your notification bell so you get all your updates about every time I post. Okay, let's go to the store, then we'll get back and we'll get started. Okay guys, we are here at Publix and we are getting ready to head inside the store. But first, during these times, mask. Can't forget it. So I've got my Airpods in so you can hear me, so I'm sorry if it's a bit loud. But we are heading into Publix so we can get all of our things that we need. So what I need to get is chicken batter, waffle mix, and oil. So let's go shopping. So they don't have my chicken batter here, but typically no store ever does. The one that I use, I get the Louisiana style chicken batter, so I'll have to go to Walmart and get that. So off to chicken. We've got our chicken. I know it's a lot, but we real black. We eat a lot of chicken. Chicken. So I guess the Aunt Jemima buttermilk waffle pancake mix. Super great. So we'll make this. Yeah. All right, before we get started, hand sanitizer on. Don't touch your mask without putting hand sanitizer on your hands first. Real good. Mask off. Now I can touch my steering wheel, hand sanitizer on my steering wheel, and on my push start. These guys, gotta think. So we didn't get everything that we needed from Publix. I got everything except the oil and the chicken batter. Publix never had my chicken batter. I don't even know why I tried. So I'm gonna head over to Walmart to get my chicken batter. And I decided not to get oil because I have some, and I don't think I'm gonna clean out my deep fryer. I think it's okay. So we're gonna go grab some chicken batter, then we're heading back home. All right, people, this is the chicken batter that I use. So when I come, I usually get a couple boxes. So I got about 3 boxes with me. Let's check out. Again, hand sanitizer before I touch my mask. And people, we ready to go home and cook. Let's head home. Okay guys, so we are home in my kitchen and I have washed my hands really good. We've thrown away all the bags, washed down everything that we got from the stores, including the boxed items, and we just kind of go through those with bleach wipes. Gotta be safe, you know, Corona is real out here in these streets, and I know some people may be like, oh, you're doing a lot, but yeah, we'd rather do a lot and be alive than do little and possibly die. So let's just make sure we're being safe and wash your hands real good and wash off everything that you bring in from the store because you don't know who touched it. Before we get started with cooking, I'm going to straighten up a little bit, get these dishes in the dishwasher, and kind of wipe down my counters so I can have a clean cooking space and cooking area. So let's clean real quick and then we'll get started.
Tragedies are commonplace. All kinds of diseases, people are slipping away. Economy's down, people can't get enough pay. But as for me, Lord, all I can say is thank you, Lord, for all you've done for me.
Okay, now that the kitchen's clean, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we've got our chicken. I'm not gonna use all of this, but at least not all of the chicken batter. I'll put that up, so I'll at least use that much. But we've got our chicken. So we're first gonna start, and we're gonna put all this in the sink so we can rinse it off really good and season it. And then we will start on our waffle batter.
Every day by your power, you keep on keep on. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your power. Thank you for...
Is it done yet, Mommy?
No, it's not, baby. It'll be done in a little bit, okay? All right, upstairs you go. Okay, so we're gonna get started on the waffles. So I'm gonna make more than I need. Same thing with the chicken, because we typically, whatever we have for dinner is what we eat for lunch the next day. So I'm gonna make enough so that I can fry more chicken and make more waffles in the morning for lunch as well. So if you see me kind of like overdoing it a little bit, that's why. This can double as pancakes or waffles, so they have a different ingredients for, or different measurements for ingredients for both. So for waffles, we will need 2 cups of Ana-Tole mix, 1.5 cups of water, but I'm going to use milk instead, and 1/3 cups of oil. So let's get the milk out. We've got the oil out. Get the milk. And okay, so it said 2 cups of Ana-Tole mix. This is brand new. Let's go ahead and open this. So this is 1 cup. 1, 2. So I'm gonna do, we'll do 4. If I need more, I'll make it tomorrow. Okay, so we've got 4. So we need 1.5 cups of water, but so 1.5 cups. 2 servings of that will be just 3 full cups. And then 1/3 cup of oil. One-4, 1/3 cup of oil. So we'll do 2 of these.
Ain't no clothes, all left alone without one.
And then we shall start.
Just another number with a tragic end. It couldn't be to let none of these
Okay, so it's getting the consistency that we want. Per the box, it says to let it sit so it can thicken up. So we're gonna finish this up and then kind of let it sit. So at this point, after we let it sit for a while, waffle batter is the consistency that we want it to be. Nice and thick, but it's not too thick. Ready to make some waffles. Yeah. Okay, so we've got chicken seasoning, we've got waffle mix done and setting, and we've got our deep fryer and waffle maker. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my oven on warm. So once I start frying chicken and start making waffles, we'll put everything in the oven, keep it on warm till everything's done, and then we'll all eat together. So one thing, while the grease is getting hot, and while the oven is getting warm, and while the waffle maker's warming up as well, I'll go ahead and get my batter ready for my chicken. I usually like to take a Ziploc bag and pour it in here. So I can batter my chicken in a bag. Less mess. And once I get finished, we can just toss this right out. No mess. No plates, no bowls. Ziploc bag. So Carson, while mommy's cooking, tell the people why you like chicken and waffles.
Because they are so delicious. Good.
Yeah, do you like chicken and waffles?
Yeah,
Why?
yes I do.
But why? Are they good?
Yeah,
Are they yummy in your tummy?
yeah.
Show me how you eat them. Lord, my husband's in here, can't even see him. Gotta adjust it. Tell the people why you like chicken and waffles.
I like chicken and waffles because I like chicken and I like waffles. And together it tastes good. I don't know. I guess because I grew up in Los Angeles, California, so I was introduced to Roscoe's for those who knows what Roscoe's is, Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. And so ever since I had that, it's just stuck. So now I'm a fan of Chicken and Waffles.
And you know, the first time I had chicken and waffles was when I went to California for the very first time to meet his family. They took me to Roscoe's. Bomb. But before then, I was like, syrup on chicken?
I told her.
No.
I told her it's good. But now I put hot sauce on my chicken. I like this. It's a sweet and tangy type vibe. And I'm liking the sweet and savory, I guess that's what it is.
Hot sauce with the syrup?
Hot sauce on my chicken,
And syrup on the waffle. Oh, okay. Well, I just like.
I never put syrup on my chicken though.
I put syrup on my chicken.
do
You
that.
swap it up. It's good. It's good stuff. So let's go ahead and test the grease. I think everything is ready at this point. So a little bit. Start sizzling. It's ready, and it is ready. We're gonna go ahead and get this chicken in here. We'll do a couple pieces. I think my deep fryer can hold about 10 pieces of chicken at a time. So we literally just throw them all in here. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close it up. And then we shake it. All of that get all down deep in here. Chicken and waffles, people. Chicken and waffles.
Tragedies are commonplace. All kinds of diseases, people are slipping away. Economy's down, people can't get enough pay. But as for me, Lord, all I can say, thank you, Lord, for all you've done for me.
Everybody is in here. We're cutting up the kids' chicken. Carson, ready? Myles, are you ready? Chicken and waffles, people. Chicken and waffles. Enjoying them chicken and waffles?
Fire. My mama was out clapping.
Mousy, is that chicken and waffles yummy?
No.
Is that yummy in your tummy? Mm-hmm. Is them chicken and waffles good? Tut over here sleeping. Husband getting his plate, right?
Oh yeah.
We got the hot sauce
Yes, ma'am.
and the syrup.
I like it.
So we'll do this about making a couple more waffles, make a couple more wings. And we'll do that maybe about 3 more times so we get some extras in there, and that's it.
Eating is sweet now. Here. Hey, look!
Say it again.
More.
More what?
Chicken.
Chicken and what?
Chicken. Huh? Some more chicken.
Okay. All right, people, it is finally time for me to eat. So we fed all the babies, we fed them in. Now it's time for mommy to eat. Okay, I've got my food right here, my chicken and my waffles. And before we go, guys, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, guys. And always remember, well, moms always remember that your kids appreciate you for everything that you do. And a woman who fears the Lord, her children will rise up and call her blessed. Bye, guys. See you next week. Pooh, you missed all the food.